The journey of a smart investor. Introduction. Meet Karan, a 30-year-old IT professional. Like many of us, Karan works hard, earns well, but at the end of the month, his bank account barely grows. He asks himself, where is all my money going, and why am I not building wealth? The realization. One day, Karan's friend Priya shares a simple secret: mutual funds. She explains, instead of letting your money sit idle in a savings account, why not let it grow for you? Karan is curious but skeptical. Mutual funds? Aren't they risky? He asks. Taking the first step. Priya reassures him, it's not about taking risks, it's about choosing the right funds based on your goals. Start small, even 500 rupees a month is enough. Karan decides to give it a try and sets up his first SIP, systematic investment plan, for 5,000 rupees a month. Watching the growth. Months turn into years, and Karan's small investments begin to grow. He starts seeing the magic of compounding, his money earning returns, and those returns earning more returns. After 5 years, Karan's 5,000 rupees per month SIP has grown to 4 lakhs rupees. Wow, this really works, he says, increasing his SIP to 10,000 rupees per month. Achieving dreams. Fast forward 15 years, Karan now has 50 lakhs rupees in his portfolio. He smiles as he books tickets for his dream family vacation. All it took was discipline and patience. He says proudly. Call to action. Karan's story could be your story too. It's never too early or too late to start investing. With mutual funds, small steps today lead to big rewards tomorrow. Need guidance to begin your journey? I'm Vignesh Dhayalan, a mutual fund distributor. Reach out to me and let's build your financial future together. Outro. If you found this video inspiring, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Vicky Views for more stories and tips about smart investing. Your journey starts now.